welcome. I'm Matthew from Rosie and Rosie, investment property specialists, helping you invest in property with confidence. And today, again, I'm joined by Michael from Crown Money, who's here to talk to us about a number of products that Crown Money have access to. If you haven't seen the other videos, then do check them out from wherever you've come across this one at, whether that's YouTube or our blog or social media or newsletter. But yeah, Michael's here to talk to us about their mortgage management or rate reducer, or so what are we calling it? Rate reducer?
Debt reduction
Product, and also Vault, which is an exciting product for those who are looking to buy in the current market and are looking for that quick settlement. But yeah, today Michael's going to talk to us about the debt reduction product specifically. So tell us a bit about yourself, Crown Money, and the debt reduction product.
Yeah, so Crown Money was founded in 2003 by our founder and CEO, Scott Parry, and from a really young age, Scott knew how money worked because his dad worked for NAB for over 30 years as a private banker. And so what Scott wanted to do was help the everyday Australian be able to pay off their home in 15 years or less through this debt reduction strategy that has evolved over the past 20 years. And so really what he wanted to do is be able to help people get out of debt as quickly as possible. You know, our philosophy is to be able to help people then reinvest later on as well. So come retirement, they have a form of passive income, whether that be through investment property, whether that be through shares. You know, we'll pass that on to the professionals in that area, but we really want to get people into a position to become debt free. That's our goal.
Yeah, okay, it's a good goal to have. So tell us a bit more about how the product works and who it's for and perhaps who it's not for.
Yeah, so it's for anyone who has a mortgage and essentially wants to pay it off in half the time. So our goal and our strategy is to halve the term of your loan. So if you have 28 years remaining on your mortgage, we want to get that to 14 years or less. If you have 22 years remaining, we want to get that to 22 years or less. Our national average at the moment is 12 years fully paid off as opposed to 30. Wow. Which is an incredible result. We've currently got over 6,000 clients that are on this system, and it's been working wonders for them. You know, when what we try to do is we're going to save you half the time, but also try and save you as close to half the interest that you would normally be paying to the bank as well.
Yeah, so it's life changing. So what's the catch? Where does it hurt? How are we able to pay off our mortgages faster?
Yeah, so it's about getting your money working for you as opposed to the bank. And as we spoke about, lazy money. We want our money to be working for us all the time as opposed to just sitting in a savings account that's being paid 0.01% by the bank. So what we want to do is we reverse the flow of our money, and what that means is it enables our money to work harder for us, because what we're doing is with our mortgage facility account, what that means is we're able to offset interest but also pay down principal at the same time. So as opposed to your standard offset account that is going to only offset interest, it doesn't actually pay down the principal. With our mortgage facility account, we're getting a two-prong effect where it's doing both for us.
Yeah. Yep. Okay. Well, that was my question for you next. Was how's it different to an offset? But clearly here it's actually taking some of the principal down as well as offsetting the interest. So that's quite a compounding effect, I guess, over time. And
yeah.
You have shown me a calculator in the past where we can see how a change from a standard mortgage to this particular product can change the outcome over time. And yeah, it's impressive. It really is.
Yeah,
so,
it's pretty incredible, and I guess the biggest thing is our job really starts at settlement. A lot of banks and brokers, you won't hear from them for 3 or 4 years, and then they'll give you a call and say, hey, we've got you a cheaper interest rate. You're going to hear from us 21 times a year. We write to you every single month telling you how much you've paid off your principal debt, and we do a 6-monthly and 12-monthly reporting with you as well to let you know and keep you in the loop of your financial positioning. So, it's a really exciting product because we know that the key to debt reduction is through automation, and so we want to take the stress of when a bill's paid, how much do I have to pay? We want to take that stress out of your life, and what we want you to focus on is spending.
Mm-hmm. Yep, okay. And so who's it not for?
Not for those people who are currently in retirement. Unfortunately, yeah, obviously our system really works well on a dual income. We can do it for single income as well, but obviously we know that, you know, we want more income coming in than expenses going out, and so the cream of the crop for us is having that dual income.
Yep, and it's only for the principal place of residence, not for investment property?
Yeah, so what we want to do is we want to pay down our owner-occupied, our bad debt, as quickly as possible. Once that has been paid off, depending on, obviously, you know, talking with the client and seeing what they want to do. If they say, hey, we would like to pay off the investment property as well, and they're not so worried about that gearing for tax reasons, then what we can do is we can actually flip it onto that investment property and have that paid down as well.
Yep, but pay down the bad debt first.
Yeah.
Yeah, excellent. Love that phrase, lazy money, and getting it to work hard. So that's exciting. If you're as excited as I am about this product, then please reach out to Michael and the team at Crown Money. Their contact details will be in the description below this video. So that's all we've got for now, but we are going to do one more video on Vault, which is an exciting product helping people who have a tight turnaround time between purchasing a home and settlement. So stay tuned for that if that sounds of interest to you. But for now, thanks for watching. I'm Matthew from Rosie and Rosie, helping you invest in property with confidence.